How can I use Amazon PPC together with Helium 10 to increase sales? Helium 10 is a third-party software. We are using it in our agency. Most people are using it. We're not direct affiliates to it. But when it comes down, how can you use Amazon PPC together with Helium 10? Really have a clear goal. Why would you want to use a third-party software for your ads first off? Once that you have a clear understanding of that, then you would look into, okay, so which are the things that Helium 10 offers me in order to achieve those goals for my Amazon ads? Probably what is going to help with is keyword research, right? You have the option of looking up specific keywords and the search volume, approximative search volume for that. And that is something that you can use. Or maybe you are looking up some of your competitors and you want to see how well are they doing, what is their revenue, what is their best product, how are they thinking when it's coming down to branding. That's also a way how you could use Helium 10 to actually PPC, because what you're going to have is specific keywords that are working well for them that you can also use within the campaigns. It could be also for rank tracking. If you have one specific keyword that you want to make sure that you're getting sales for and you're tracking organic ranking on that, you can use it for that. Again, it's a great tool. Would highly recommend you to check it out. Would also recommend you to not get lost into their content and tutorial because they have a ton of things, and keep it at the goal. If your goal was to use it for Amazon ads, anything that is Amazon ads related, you should be looking only that content.